Congratulations, Sherry, on getting your license today at VicRoads, Coolaroo. How do you feel getting your license today with only a few lessons?
So happy, so excited, and so grateful that I got my license today, yeah.
And from the first time, zero mistake. Show me you're proud, zero mistake. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so everything went so well.
It's flying. Yeah. Yay. Oh, it's windy.
Windy, yes.
Yeah.
And the instructor, he said, so happy with you parking, with you everything, yeah, head checking, all those things. How did you find the Origin?
Oh, I found them online.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you happy with the service?
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
very
Do you
happy.
recommend them with other family member
Yeah,
and
definitely.
friend?
Yeah.
Well done, Sherry, and all the very best. Stay safe on the road. And how did you find your instructor?
Very good.
Very
He's
good.
very helpful and yeah, very kind.
Yeah.
Very helpful, yeah.
Well done, my dear. All the very best. Stay safe on the road. And nice seeing you with that big smile and getting your license from the first time. All the very best. Yeah? Thank you.